like a Hellcat.
Hey guys! Now, does this box looks familiar? Because it's so familiar to me. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm just joking. Anyway guys, I'm so excited for this box. It just arrived today. It's my first subscription with Boxycharms, and it should contain 5 products. And since it's my first subscription with them, they have given me free gifts. Oh my god, they're so nice. The veggie mask as well as the exfoliator. And I'm so excited to try these with you guys and let you know what's the result and how my face will feel after using this product. So let's open the box. Oh, I think I just got a paper cut. Anyway, these are the products. It comes with the Grande Drama mascara, Too Faced highlighter. This highlighter is so pretty. It's called the Fancy Pink Diamond. And it comes with a 12 colors palette from Ace Beauty called Scarlet Tusk. Oops. Colors are so nice. And also the blush and bronzer from Wonder Beauty called Trip for Two. Lastly, last but not the least, it's the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It says glow. Well, I really hope my face will glow tomorrow if I use this tonight, because as you can tell, I had a long day at work. I'm kind of stressed out. Oh my gosh, it's bleeding. Anyway, so those are the different products that came with the box. And obviously, you know, based on the choices you make when you subscribe, then I think they will set those products for you based on your, you know, what product you use regularly, stuff like that. So yeah, well, I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, please don't hit the subscribe. No, what did I say? Please don't hit. No, it was a joke. I meant to say please do hit the subscribe button below. I'm not sure if it's the left or the right. Shake them apart, but hit it now, okay? So I'm gonna see you guys next time. All right, bye.
Like a Hellcat.